That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, let's get into this quick 10-minute cleaning motivation for you guys. I'm first going to be starting off in my master bedroom. I'm going to be spraying my linens down with a new fragrance that I'll show you guys. I'm also going to be vacuuming the room. I'm not going to be cleaning my nightstands because they're not that bad or they're not that dusty right now, and I'm trying to get as much sun as I can. And I'm also going to be cleaning my master bathroom. I already previously cleaned the bathtub and the shower before, well, the day before, but I had been suffering from some intense migraine headaches and I just stopped cleaning it. So I just opted to go ahead and give you guys some cleaning motivation today. So I'm filming it, and yeah, I'm going to be vacuuming the bathroom, cleaning the vanity and the mirror, and that's what I'm doing in this space. I don't want to do a whole lot of talking in this video. I really just want you guys to be able to enjoy the music. Feel free to clean with me or just watch me clean if that's more therapeutic for you guys. But anyway, I hope that you enjoy it. But a little bit about me. My name is Denise. I am a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 kids. My little boy, he is 3. He'll be 4 next month. And I have a daughter, and her name is Logan, and she is 4 months old. And yeah, she is in her little sleeping space in this video. She's wide awake. You can see her little head bopping up and down, but this was not a nap time clean with me because she has been going through, I think, that 4-month sleep regression, so it's kind of a little bit off with her sleeping. My sleeping has been off as well, so I'm just trying to get as much accomplished during any time of the day. But anyway, if you're a mom, you know all about what I'm talking about. But anyway, enough about me. Let's get back into the video.
You get it by now. Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes.
Just in case anyone is wondering, that sponge has never been used before. I'm going to use it to wash my mouthwash container, and I'm going to use it to wash this sink vanity and in Lucas's bathroom, and then I'll discard it. I'll put it in the trash.
I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue. And I know you're gonna act a fool, and then no one could tell the difference between me and you, babe. Watching from a distance, hiding these feelings, going through changes. to let my emotions flow. But for now, I just read it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just read it and delete it. Oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind.
It's a hug. I'm so lovely.
I love you. You want to say hey good people?
Hey, good people.
They can't see you. Say hey good
Hey,
people.
good people. We need a haircut and we go to the store.
You need a haircut and we go to the store.
Okay.
Alright, well if you let me finish cleaning, we'll go.
Okay.
Alright. So like I was saying, little mama is not napping. She's wide awake for this cleaning process as well. But in here, I'm just going to be making his bed. I'm going to be refilling his pull-ups. And I'm also going to be putting his shirts back into the drawer. I don't know why he took all of his shirts out and put them in his little Toy Story suitcase like he was going somewhere. I don't know. Maybe that's just his way of telling me he wants to go somewhere. But anyway, so I'm going to be doing that. Dusting off his dresser before I vacuum, and then I'm gonna move on to cleaning his bathroom as well.
I'm thinking about you. I see that smile on your face. You told me about the hidden place, something in the atmosphere. You're always here, you always here. Time to laugh and time to heal. My favorite song is on repeat. Drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. And I'm wishing that you knew.
Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this cleaning motivation for today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't leave without subscribing to my channel, and also leave me a comment if you are new here introducing yourself. I would love to speak to you all in the comment section. And until my next video, bye.